So we're gonna do a system check now.
Okay, let's see if you got spark.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Spark?
Yep. Spark. Spark. Spark.
Each plug?
Yep, each plug.
Okay, it appears that we have fixed the issues there.
That is good news.
Okay, let's get that thing back together and see if it will actually run now. Now, if you're looking from the camera from the other side, you can see the new eyelets I put over there.
Oh yeah, I zoomed in there and checked it out.
I don't know why you put them stupid ass automotive style slip-on clip piece of shit in there.
Oh,
Did
now
I
they're all
mention that those were
fixed.
crap?
Yes, you did several times. Now you can have a look in there. See how awesome it looks. I think it's better view. There you go. That brand new fancy dancies.
Fancy stuff?
Fancy stuff.
Okay, where's spark plug stuff? Okay, so have you got gas in the tank?
Yes, I do. Look at that. Probably gonna have to get some.
You should have had it in it. Now you say it doesn't have it in it.
Oh no, it's got enough to get up the hill.
Well, the gas station's on the corners.
Yep.
I'd probably get in the corner because there ain't none up the hill. You gotta make sure you put the plug wires on right too.
Yep. Can we go ahead and do that?
See, you haven't adjusted the clutch lately either.
No, I haven't adjusted it yet.
You have a lack of free play.
So now we're gonna do a quick clutch adjustment.
There's a little bit if you pull hard enough. Remember I told you about burning the clutch up?
I think so, yeah.
You didn't do anything about it though, did you? See, there's a little bit of free play. You don't want to have, 5 to 10 pounds of pulls all you need there. Now this nut here is locked. This one here is maple leaf. So there's a little bit of free play. Was it dragging all with you, Earl?
No, not at all.
Okay. Did you fall down again?
No.
Just pushing right up against the cover there. It might vibrate and make noise.
Okay.
If it is, you're going to have to bend this back down or cut the cover away.
Alright. Probably just end up bending it over.
See, if you look at it, it's already bent over this way. Bent up.
Yep.
Somebody customized it at one time?
Possibly.
I don't know who did that.
Oop.
Okay. So, increase the idle speed a little bit. Is there any gas in it? Or
Yes,
no?
there is. There's gas in it.
Where was reserve on this thing? Probably over here. Check. Okay, what's my kicking schedule lately?
I don't know. You might want to put the ignition on before you kick.
Maybe I might have primed the motor also.
Oh, you could.
You put a choke on.
Mm-hmm.
And you give it a couple kicks. Like 1, 2.
2 primes.
You notice how the cylinder sound good?
Yep.
3.
I can already smell it. It's ready.
It's already ready?
Yep.
Ready to rock.
It's ready to make noise?
Yep.
Oh shit, you broke up my schedule.
Yeah.
Screwed up my average. I hit twice instead of one.
Shame.
You broke it.
Broke it.
I did it, what, 6 or 7 times in a row, 1 kick each.
Yeah, it was pretty awesome.
One kick each.
Yeah,
nice.
1 kick each.
Including the first one.
Yep.
All right.
Button it back up.
I fattened it up a lot
Yep.
from what it was.
Pretty responsive.
It's warming up. It's getting a little bit more responsive. So it's right there on the lean side in the mid-range.
Okay.
It's pretty close. So.
Yep.
I'm sure the neighbors are adequately pissed now.
Oh no, they love it.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, so now you can go break it again, bring it back, I guess.
Okay.
Art